Yo, yo, yo! Shoutout sa inyo lahat. O ito mga master, panoorin natin at reaksyonan no? Itong mainit na talakayan dito sa House of Representatives na kung saan inabanggit itong si Saldico. Naku, mukhang ilalaglag na ata si Saldico. Oh my goodness, I love it. O yan may mga master, simulan na natin to. Pero bago tayo magsimula, kung magustuhan nyo tong video, sana huwag nyo kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe dito sa ating YouTube channel. Malaking tulong yan mga master. O, simulan na natin to.
Ano po patatandaan nyo po, gaano po kalaki yung mga pagbabago na ito. O, dito na lang po tayo mag-concentrate. 2025 budget. Magkano po yung pinopose nyo at magkano yung naaprubahan ng budget? 25 budget. Magkano po yung pinopose nyo at magkano yung naaprubahan ng budget?
Ang natatandaan ko po, Your Honor, the general expenditure program ng page 45 was 900 billion. What came out of the General Appropriation Act is 1.08 billion.
Meaning, gaano po kalaki yung nadagdag?
1.088 trillion, Your Honor.
Gaano po kalaki ang nadagdag?
The dagdag is 180 billion, Your Honor.
At sa nadagdag po na 188 billion, ito po yung mga infrastructure projects, tama po.
That's correct.
Laki, no?
Sa pagkakaalam nyo, saan kumuha ng mga program of works at paano nakapagdagdag ang House of Representatives at ang Senate ito sa mga galing po ba ito sa DPWH, yung mga programa na ito?
Yan ay hindi maliwanag po, Your Honor.
So ito po ay ginawa ng BICAM without your knowledge. So makakaalam lang po ng mga insertion na ito ay particularly yung BICAM, Senate Committee on Finance,
Tama.
and Committee on Appropriations of the House of Representatives. Tama po ba yun?
Well,
Sama
as
si
far as
Tambi
we know,
dyan.
Your Honor, that will be product of ICOM. Camera.
Thank you. Yun lang po ang aking at Mr. Chair, I would like to move that in order to clear up things, to clarify matters, should invite the chairman of the Committee on Appropriations.
Ba't kaya ganito na napaka-low quality naman ng tawag nito, ng sounds ng House of Representatives? Ba't ganun? Oh my goodness, sinasadya nyo ba to? Imbis na maayos yung pakikinig natin dito sa usapin na to, medyo malabo. Ba't ganun? Ayusin nyo nga yung audio nyo, House of Representatives.
In last Congress, the 19th Congress, and the chairman of the committee, Congressman Saldico and former Senator Grace po.
Nako, dalawa. Si Saldico at si Grace po. Yan dapat talaga ang imbestigahan eh. Dapat nga pinapaunang patao yan eh. Kaysa kay Mayor Magalang. At yung dalawa yung unang ginigisa eh. Oh my goodness. Isipin nyo na ang dami talagang insertion na nangyari doon sa 2025 national budget. Di ba? Dapat talaga si Saldico, kala mo ligtas ka na. At itong si Grace po din, di ba?
So move, Mr. Speaker.
You know, last August 4, I delivered a privileged speech questioning the mangled beyond recognition 2025 budget, and I was very specific on the automatic appropriations. Almost ang daming ginalaw. So hindi lang yung program appropriation, new general appropriations ang ginalaw pa yung program. In fact, towards my ending statement, I have said that 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress.
Narinig nyo ba yun? Narinig nyo ba yun? Ulitin natin.
Towards my ending statement, I have said that 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress.
The most corrupt budget ever passed. No? Tapos pinirmahan lang ni Bangag Jr. Damn talaga itong administrasyon na to.
Sinabi ko yan. You know what? Nung araw sa time namin, pag may nag-mention sa previous budget, yung former chairman, tatayo kagad yan sa plenary. Magsasalita, question of privilege, individual and collective privilege, i-explain kung anong nangyari. Mr. Chairman, August 4 ako nagsabi, 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget. Hanggang ngayon, wala akong narinig na denial man lang sa previous chairman o sa previous members ng committee.
Wala eh, patigasan na lang ng mukha eh. Yung mga nawawala atang bakal, no, sa mga flood control project natin, nilipat ata sa mga mukha nila para maging matigas.
Does this mean na hindi nila kaya i-dispute yung sinabi ko na 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress? So I second that motion, Mr. Chairman.
I am objecting on the motion. I am objecting on the motion. Chairman, I would like to know the reason why, because I would like to find out if they would.
Ito na naman si Kung Comelec. Si Comelec. Oh my goodness ka talaga, Abante. Objection.
If we're going to invite them here, are they resource speakers or they are members of the House of Representatives? Are we going to ask them questions? Are they going to answer it? We'd like to find out.
So kung isang congressman, sabi nyo kanina kahit sino masagasaan, wala tayong sasantuhin, kahit congressman, kahit senador. Kung ang congressman hindi pa pwedeng maging resource person at hindi natin pwedeng pa-testify under oath, di ibig sabihin sa usapang to, exempted ang congressman.
Ano, Abante? Basag ka na naman, Kitiangko. Tama naman. Di ba? Kung ihihiwalay nyo yung mga congressman, so exempted sila. So ano pang nangyayari dyan sa hearing nyo? Walang kakwenta-kwenta. Didepensahan nyo na naman eh. Matadawit ka ba, Abante? Tanong lang naman. Di ba? Tatanungin lang naman. Pero dapat talaga ipatawag si Saldico kahit congressman siya. Di ba? Anong pinatutunguhan ng investigation nyo, 'di ba? Eh kung paano kung lumalabas talaga is, 'di ba? Dapat ipatawag itong si Saldico at si Grace po. Hindi nyo ipapatawag kasi congressman. Dem talaga, no?
So paano tayo mag-iimbestiga? Paano tayo? Number one. Number two, Mr. Chair, here is the USB. Sinasabi, paano nagkaroon ng insert? Under the name of Congressman Saldico, ang insertion sa BICAM as proponent siya is 13,803,693,000. And we do not want to invite him as a resource person.
Mr. Chair, sorry.
Comsec, can you show this para lang
Yeah.
sabihin di ako
Mr. Chair, with
nagsisinto?
due courtesy.
Wait, I have the floor.
Yeah,
I have the floor.
Yeah, but
I have
Mr.
the floor.
No, Mr.
I
Chair.
have the floor.
Just to, on the
I have the
record,
floor.
On the record, Mr.
I
Chair.
have the floor.
We did not refuse
Suspend.
to
I have
invite.
the floor.
Chair, motion to suspend.
Mr.
Manggugulo talaga, no? Hindi. Ano natin?
I think there are particular details on how we would want to dispose of the motion, particularly because subject of the inquiry today are specific projects. And this is something we understand that budget preparation is within the context
Kwenta to si
of one
Ridon?
expected by the Congressman.
That's the case.
Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, if that's the case, I would like to defer my motion because I would like to consult staff kung itong mga 100 billion na insertions sa 2025 budget ay may mga nakasamang those projects as the President had mentioned in Revelations. So, consult ko kung wala po dito, I will withdraw my motion. Pero kung meron, I will insist on. So, Mr. Chair, I would like to to request the chair my earlier motion.
Commissioner, get the motion heard.
Point of order, just
Mr. Chair.
inquiry from the movant. So when he moves for the deferment of his motion earlier, not really withdrawing the motion. Do I take it correctly?
As I said, I said, Mr. Chair, I'm not withdrawing my motion. I'm just deferring my motion to order to consult my staff whether 100 billion insertions in the 2025 budget includes those projects as mentioned by the. So, in order to be fair,
Isn't it? I'm sorry, Mr. Chair, I have to. Isn't it back to our colleague, senior minority?
Yan kaya dito yung sound nila. Talaga napaka-low quality, no? But anyway, mga master, no? Kunting minutes na lang naman. Saba naman magsasalita. Walang kakwenta-kwenta. Ayusin nyo nga yung audio nyo. Ang pangit. Pero sana lang talaga, no? Ipatawag itong si Saldi ko. Kasi grabe din talaga yung nangyaring insertion. Doon, di ba? Sa 2025 national budget. O, patawag niya si Saldi ko tsaka si Grace po. Di ba? Pitayin natin na hindi joke lang. Ay, nako. O, anyway, mga master, hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. At kung nagustuhan nyo itong video, sana huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe dito sa ating YouTube channel. Malaking tulong yan, mga master. Hanggang dito na lang tayo. God bless sa inyong lahat. Paalam po.